It's time for another fire alarm review. I know I didn't make one yesterday. By the way, I do want to say that I'm not going to do a review literally every single day. Might take a day off sometimes. So I just want to let you all know that real quick. But today we are reviewing the Sensor Spectralert Advance, which I would say is one of the most common notification appliances out there. So, yes, you see this all the time if you look at fire alarms. So, we have the strobe in the middle, fire lettering's towards the side, and this time it only has fire lettering twice rather than 3 times. There's the horn at the top, and right below the strobe is the candela window. Tells you what candela it's doing, and then at the bottom is the screw hole to mount it. It looks like you only need one this time. Back is kind of boring. P2RH is the model. Now the reason it's a P2RH is because this one only does very high candelas. Now every Advance is multi-candela. Now this one has the higher options, which are 135, 150, 177, and 185. It says it is 24 volts DC. And it can be 75 decibels from 10 feet away. Made in Mexico. And this allows you to change the volume. You can't do much with these. They're kind of boring. You can really only do continuous, code 3. That's about it. That's the label. Now, I do need to get a mounting bracket if I want to mount this. But there would be a mounting bracket to go on the back. And you couldn't twist this with your finger. You'd need a flathead screwdriver. Sorry if I sound tired, because I am tired. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you the history of the production. They were first made in 2006. Then in 2008, they made the speaker strobe models. 2011 is when they made mass notification related models. In 2013 is when they made the low frequency sounder models. Now, most of the advances were discontinued in 2017 for the launch of the L series. Then the low frequency models, 4-wire models, and mass notification models remained in production until 2020, which is when those were discontinued. There is some stuff in the Advance series still in production today, that including the mini horns, and also including the 4-wire weatherproof models. So that's the production. Sorry if you hear my gum, because I have gum in my mouth right now. But anyways, now we're going to do this sound. It's not going to be much today. I'm only going to do code 3. So here we go. Because this alarm doesn't have too much to say, this review is coming to an end now, so I hope you all enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more.